Hey everyone, want to make money in your spare time? I've got you covered. In this video, I'll share 5 apps that pay you to complete simple tasks. Whether you're looking for extra income or just a fun way to pass the time, these apps are perfect for you. Let's get started. First up, Swagbucks. This app lets you earn points by completing surveys, shopping online, or even watching videos. Redeem your points for cash or gift cards. Next, Rakuten. Shop at your favorite stores and earn cash back on every purchase. It's like getting paid to shop. Third, Ibotta. This app pays you cash back for buying groceries and everyday items. Just scan your receipts and watch the savings add up. Fourth, TaskRabbit. This app connects you with people who need help with tasks like cleaning, moving, or assembling furniture. Set your own rates and work on your own schedule. Finally, Foap. If you love taking photos, this app lets you sell them to brands and earn money. It's a great way to turn your hobby into cash. So, which of these apps are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.